Kabairuaye. Yes.
Ansoy Hmangaih na cheI Siat yam na hinkat mase Kangai
Nang
na
maulo.
Ching bitui
Herthuli. Yes, hello Mizo people, notice people, peace from Africa, your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we are back again to the best singers of Mizoram. We have Taitea today. So the music title is Hmangaih reng. You can tell me what does it mean. So we are going, or I am going to sing for you this song because we have the lyric here, guys. So thank you so much whoever been supporting my channel, guys. I'm really so happy. God bless you all. So if you're not part of the family yet, join the 100k subscriber family and let's go. Let's sing. Go. Start. Okay. cheI Nang dun Hmangaih Taitea Ka. Let's sing together. Lalsangliana Taitea Nang
Mizoram Love Songs
to declare to
reng
Kabairuaye. Yes.
Ansoy Hmangaih na cheI Siat yam na hinkat mase Kangai na
maulo.
Ching bitui
Herthuli.
Katsana Sana matson na gangre
Ipurturhi.
Kasuam lo nang chenchu Tudigla tut may na reng ang silo Itong liyang turkaton ng lunem tunay
I'm trying.
Kagyamay ng iko ng mga ibangyan Mariagado urang gabi sa palmayro Inupanon na to Anido na sin Nang
Lloyd Van Career my name. Hmangaih reng. What does it mean? Hmangaih reng, guys. That was Taitea song from the LPS, guys. And you know, as I told you, it's not my first time to react to this guy. And so far, I've been reacted to almost 5 of his song, and also RSA. Like, I just love the way they sing, guys. Those guys, they are so inspiring. Though I don't understand the lyric, but I can try. I am able to sing the lyric, guys. It's not that tough, but I don't understand the Mizo language, but I just came to know those guys, like, they have very huge love from Mizoram. They are so good in music, and they are inspiring all the music lovers from Mizoram. People love them because of their talent and their vocal, and the energy they have for the music is really so real, and I just love it to hear and to see the talent from the Northeast, Mizoram, and other state of Northeast, guys. I just love it. You can tell me much more about this song. What is the expression about it? Is it a love song, or which type of song was this? And what does it mean by come Hmangaih reng cheI? Yeah, thank you so much. Love you. Don't forget, suggest which any other song I can check for the next time, whether English song or any song. It's okay as long as you love it. I will check it out, and peace out till next time.